In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the fonts, colors, and graphics of these digital products to match your branding. So let's say I wanted to make this planner a boho planner. I might start by changing the colors to more of a boho theme. So let's say I wanted to change these tab colors. I'm going to click on this light blue box, and once I click on it, you'll see it's highlighted, and up in this corner, there's a light blue box. I'm going to click that, and then click this add a new color here, and use the sliders to go for a beige toned color. And I'm not going to make this perfect, I just want to make this quick to show you how to use this feature. Now down here there will be a prompt that says change all, and I'm going to go ahead and click that, and it's going to change every light blue color to this beige color. So next I'm going to change this color. So again, we'll maybe go for a darker color here. Click change all. Same thing with this blue. Maybe go even a little bit darker. Change all. And then this last color, we'll make it like a green. Maybe something like that. All right, now if I zoom out and click on this grid view, it's going to show me every page in my planner. And you can see how it's matching a little bit more of a boho vibe now. Now let's say I wanted to change the font to also be a little bit more boho. So I'm going to click on the font of this tab here. And I liked this one earlier. And if I click on this little arrow, it's going to show me a bold version. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And now again, that prompt comes up asking me if I wanted to change everything in this font to this new font. So I'm going to click change all. That's looking pretty good. And let's say I wanted to change this calendar here to a new font as well. You can either type in the font that you know you're looking for or scroll through to find a font. And click change all. And there you have it. Now we have changed the fonts and the colors to match a different style. Now let's say on the first page I maybe wanted to add a few graphics in that matched a boho element. So what I did was I'm just going to type in boho, click on graphics here at the top, and any of these with a little crown are part of the pro version, which you can get a free 30-day trial, which I will link in the description, but you don't have to use pro elements. So let's say I just were looking for some free elements. I like this stem here, so let's say I put that there. That looks kind of fun. Maybe I'll just do it, I'll turn it around this way. Delete that, put the sun down here, and there you have it.